Today we're going to be talking about how to submit different types of submissions into an assignment. So whenever your teacher assigns you something in their class, it typically will show up in your little to-do list over here. So I'm going to start out by showing you what it would look like when your teacher assigns you something. It should show up with some instructions, how they want you to submit that, whether it's in text as this assignment is, or as a Google Doc, or it's a assignment that doesn't have any type of online submission. You can do it by hand, and I'll show you how you can upload that, a handwritten assignment, to Canvas. So when I go to submit an assignment, my teacher told me that I need to turn it in as a text response or upload a Google Doc. So text response would just be here in text entry. So when I go to text entry, right, I can just come up here, copy my questions that my teacher gave me to answer, paste them, and I can just answer straight in this content editor. Here I can change my font size, I can change my headings, I can make bold, italicized, underline, I can change the color, I can highlight to emphasize things, I can change the positioning of my text, I can make a bulleted list. Okay, it does a lot. Okay, I can add an image, I can link, I can add media, I can even upload a document, which is what I'm going to show you next. So if you would like to upload something from your Google Drive, if I wanted to make this in a Google Doc, okay, I would create that on my own Google Doc just like you're used to doing. But to retrieve that, to submit it into Canvas, I would click right here on my Google Drive, and I would be able to select an assignment from my Google Drive, and I could submit it to Canvas. Now, another way that you can submit is if I'm in class and my teacher says, look at these questions and I just want you to answer these on a sheet of paper, but then you finish it at home and you need to submit it at home, you can go to the Student Canvas app and you can scan your sheet of paper. You can upload a file here, and you can submit a physical sheet of paper by scanning it through your student app and submitting it into Canvas this way. Now, if my teacher allowed me to do maybe to do a video response answering these 3 questions, I could come over here to Studio, and I can record myself answering these 3 questions. It would come right here, and I would just submit my video. Another way that you can submit an assignment is through an app called Kami. Okay, that would be an external tool that you could use here. And you can write over your teacher's PDF that he or she assigns to you. The last way that you can put an assignment in is if your teacher assigns you a discussion. Okay, I'm going to show you what that would look like. If your teacher gave you a discussion question, here's the question up here. Then you can just hit reply. The same rich content editor will pop up here for you to organize your text the way you want it to look. And all you do is type out your response and post your reply for your teacher to see. Assignment submissions are very easy, and there are a lot of ways you can assign them. If you have any questions about submitting an assignment, all you have to do is come over here to this help button, and it will guide you on how to make different types of submissions for an assignment. And you can always ask your teacher for help. That's what we're here for. I hope this helped you understand different ways to submit, and I hope you have a great day.